guys, welcome back to my channel, Shauna for Hair. If you're new, welcome to the channel. In today's episode, we're going to be doing knotless box braids. I'll be showing you guys my two methods on how I do mine. And if you guys don't know, knotless box braids is like the biggest trend. Like everybody wants them. It's like your regular traditional box braids without the knot. So if you don't know about them, get on it because they are the best. They're tension free, they're lightweight, everything about it is just perfect. So I'll be showing you guys in this video how I do mine, and I hope you guys can learn from this video and apply some of these stuff I'm teaching today to your braiding. So if you're new, subscribe down below and let's get into this video. So the first thing you're gonna need is your shining gem, your comb, and your pre-stretched hair. You don't have to use pre-stretched. I like to use pre-stretched, it's just easier. So once you've parted out your section, you want to use your shining gem and go around each side of your square and just slick it with your finger. So then you want to use your comb just to distribute the product so that it's easy to go through and there are no tangles or knots. So now you want to subsection your section into 3 parts just like you were doing a 3-strand braid. So you want to get about 4 pieces of your braiding hair, which you're going to use to feed into your braid. I use 4, you could use anywhere from 3 or as many pieces as you want just to reach your desired size. And you're going to start braiding as you would a normal braid. And we're only going to be adding in from the right. Since I am right-handed, if you're left-handed, you could add it in all from the left. So you're going to cross over once, just like a normal 3-strand braid. And the first crossover, you're going to add your first piece of hair. You're going to use your index finger and your thumb to make a little loop, and you're going to hook it underneath your index finger. So now you're going to cross over to the left, but since we're only adding hair on the right side, you have to cross back over to the right before you add another piece of hair. So now we're adding our second piece, which you're going to loop over your index finger, grab it, and then spread it with your thumb to create an opening where you're going to loop it underneath your index finger and continue to braid. So cross back over to the left, then cross back over to the right, and then we're going to do the same thing for your third piece and your fourth piece. Once you've added all your pieces, now all you have to do is just braid the braid down just like a regular braid. And you can switch your hand position so that way you can braid faster. So now I'm going to show you the exact same method, just sped up. So just watch closely, guys, and if you do need to go back, just go back to the slower version. This is how your guys' knotless should look. It has no bump. It's very flexible. You can put it up, pull it to the sides, and that's just the best part about knotless. As you can see, everything is smooth and it just looks natural, like it's growing out of your scalp. Now I'll be showing you guys method number 2. It's exactly like method number 1. The only difference is you're going to be adding hair on both sides. So you're going to be adding hair on the left and on the right. So just like the first one, we're starting with our shining gem, slicking the hair, making sure it's neat, using our comb, and distributing the product. Then after that, we're going to subsection into 3 parts. Just like this. And we're going to be using the same amount of hair. So since we're adding on both sides, you're going to be adding 2 on the right and 2 on the left. So you're going to grab your hair just as you would a regular 3-strand braid and cross over once. So we're adding our first piece on our right side and you're hooking it underneath your index finger, spreading it with your thumb, creating that opening, and then you're going to loop it underneath your other index finger. And now we're going to cross over to the right now we're gonna do the exact same thing. Take another piece, loop under your index finger, put your thumb, and then loop it underneath your other index finger. It might feel a little awkward if you aren't left-handed or if you aren't right-handed. So now we're doing our third piece again on the right side, and it's the exact same steps, just like this. And then we're gonna cross over one more time and loop our last piece on the left side. Then you're just gonna braid down just as you would your regular braid. And once again, you can switch your hand position so that way you are able to braid faster. So I'll be showing you guys method number 2, again, just in a sped up version. So as you can see, both methods produce the same results. I just like to use method number 2 with large knotless box braids because I find that it creates a even look all around. Instead of your braids starting off small and then gradually getting bigger, it just starts off all the same size. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you guys found those 2 methods helpful. Let me know in the description box which method that you guys prefer. And if you're new, do not forget to subscribe because there's going to be a lot of braid knowledge on this page. So I will see you guys again in episode 3.